Frustrated, stressed out by disorganization in your life? Here at the Closet Factory, we are masters of organization. From the simple to the spectacular and everything in between, we can handle all of your organizational needs. From organizing your home closet to the most incredible home entertainment center to a commercial office setting and everything in between. Here at the Closet Factory, we have a trained professional design staff that will work with you to meet your aesthetic, budgetary, and organizational needs. Are you concerned about subcontracted labor coming into your home? Here at the Closet Factory, we only use installers that are licensed, trained, and bonded. The Closet Factory makes everything right here in our local factory based in Deerfield Beach, Florida. For a free design consultation, with many locations here in South Florida to serve you, please call 877-979-5150 or check us out on the web at www.closetfactory.com.